Brevo and Mailchimp are both fantastic email management software tools. Today we are going to put them head to head. We want to know which one is the better option for you personally. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so Brevo actually offers email marketing at ease. So Brevo lets businesses craft personalized email campaigns with a 99% delivery rate. It's AI driven. All of their tools optimize messaging and timing for peak customer engagement. It also offers multi-channel communication, so it offers unified customer messaging. You can reach customers via email, SMS, WhatsApp, and chat all from one dashboard. You can maintain seamless messaging across platforms for stronger engagement, and you can engage users through their favorite communication methods effortlessly. This means that you are looking at the best way of communicating with your customers. One of the other things is their marketing automation. So it's behavior-driven automations. This is also powered by their AI system. So you can actually create workflows triggered by user action like abandoned carts or signups and those kind of things. You can increase conversions. This allows you to have more engagement with your customers, and you can nurture your customers thereafter, and ultimately it will boost your sales. The next thing we're looking at is their customer data management system. So it offers a unified data model. So you can combine your customer information into a multi-table model for complete insight. You can have segment users by location, engagement, and even purchase history precisely, which is great. And you can use scoring and analytics to personalize campaigns effectively. The last thing we're going to look at is, of course, we need to understand that there are always drawbacks. So the free plan does actually cap at a couple hundred emails a day, and some of the key AI optimizations do require the paid plan. Also, when you are growing your subscriber list, the price will increase. So their scaling costs might just bother you a little bit. You've got to have a look at what your subscriber list looks like and if it aligns with their pricing. Okay, so Mailchimp, if not one of my favorite email marketing software systems. So Mailchimp's drag and drop builder actually makes email design pretty easy. There's no coding skills required. You can move, duplicate, or delete content blocks freely. It's really, really awesome. They also have tons of customizable templates. They've got a wide template library for pretty much every industry that you can fully customize and personalize. It really gives you a whole bunch to work with. And on top of that, if you need, they have an AI powered creative assistant to help you with all of your creations. The other thing is their integrated marketing automation. So it actually welcomes sequences and abandoned cart reminders. So this is fantastic. You have triggers for behavioral targeting. So trigger campaigns based on actions or dates of your customers. And then it has a lifecycle engagement, so it keeps leads engaged throughout the customer's journey, which is really fantastic. One of the other things is their reporting and their analytics. They have performance metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, subscriber activity, actionable insights. You can refine campaigns to improve engagement as well as conversions and audience growth. You can actually track subscriber trends and ROI effectively. One or two of the drawbacks are their limited free plan. Like, you know, on this channel, if this is not the first video that you've watched, we love free software, and Mailchimp does offer free software. They do have a free plan, but it is limited. It's limited to a couple hundred emails per day, and there are some other limitations, but all in all, it is decent software. Also, if you are upgrading to their paid plan, and as your subscriber list grows, it will increase the cost. So that is something to look out for. So there you go, folks. Project management software at a glance. The key takeaway here really is to explore both of these tools and see which one fits your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.